like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title, we are testing out a new product. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, so I told y'all that I got the new one size oil sucker liquid blotting paper spray. I got the mini size because my intention is to like throw this in my bag and blot as I go throughout the day if I need to. A little tricky trying to figure out how to do this review because that's how I intend to use it. Like, I'm not going to make this a like part of my makeup routine before I leave for the day. So it was like, well, so then how do I review it? How do I test it out? So clearly my makeup is already done. It's been sitting on my face for a good little minute. It is only, hold on, let me show y'all. It is only 209. I don't think I am at a place where I need to blot just yet. This is, you probably saw the video by now, this is my like no makeup routine. So I'm really relying on my skin. And I feel like around 2, 3, really like that 4, 5 in the afternoon down here in Georgia is when it has really started getting hot lately. Right now we are at 84 degrees. I feel like it's probably gonna get a little worse in like an hour-ish or so. So maybe I'll come back for that and test this out and see like really does it blot my face. But let me tell you guys about the product. So this retails for, well, the mini size retails for $18 and you get 1.33 ounces. A shine controlling touch-up spray that quickly absorbs excess oil and delivers an ultra blurred soft matte finish with a refreshing mist. Skin types for normal, dry, and oily skin. Skin concerns for oiliness and pores. Formulation spray. What else you need to know? Perfect for a midday reset. This first of its kind fine mist uses hydroclay and wet to dry technology to deliver immediate and lasting shine control. It creates a soft, focused matte finish without disturbing makeup or drying skin. So, I mean, I didn't even realize like its purpose was to be more of a touch-up spray than a setting spray. But yeah, I don't think like this is legit like a majority my skin. I don't think, I feel like it could be worse in an hour-ish. So we gonna come back. Like I said, it was like 209 a couple minutes ago. I'll be back. Okay, it is 4:07. I think we've cooked a little more. Don't ask me why I threw a jacket on if it's hot. Listen, just go with it, okay? Now, to remember how to use this. Now, I'm a little worried because I feel like the lash is going to come flying off. I'm not going anywhere, so I can put them back on, but visually appealing for the video, you know? Shake well. Sweeping motions. Okay. You know, Patrick sprays be having some. Okay, one last. This is what it looks like before I spray it down. And ooh, what was it? Oh, okay. So it's just kind of pat in. Wait a minute, face is matte again. Hold on, wait a minute. Patrick is another one. I don't know what he be putting in them sprays. The melting spray, y'all already know, if you can't blend your makeup all together yourself, it's going to give you a hand with that. So I stand behind the melting spray. This blotting paper spray, and I didn't use any paper, I didn't use any napkins, nothing like that. All I had to use was my fingers. That's what my fingers look like after patting my face. If you're like, well, what about the transfer onto my hand? I guess I should go get a napkin or something like that to see like how much of my makeup came off on my fingers. So hold on. Okay, so You see that? You see that? Well, so I'm going to let my face sit for the rest of the day. I'm not going to put anything else on. When it is nighttime, I will come back and show you what my face looks like after using that, because it's still probably going to get hotter from here. So I'll see you later. Okay, so it is 10:02 and this is what my face looks like. I think I put the blotting thing on around 4, so it's about 6 hours later. Patrick, I don't know what you and Dines be having going on in them labs, but keep it up. I mean, he has oily skin, so it makes sense that his products work very well for oily skin, but like the magnitude of how they work for oily skin. This is quite literally blotting paper in a spray. Throw it on in your bag and go. And even though you have to tap it into your face, it didn't transfer onto my hands. Now, granted, if you saw my no makeup, I don't know what happened to my bun. I just noticed that. If you saw my no makeup video, you know I don't have as much makeup as I usually would, but still. If you got trips coming up this summer, you need this. If you live in a hot place, you need this. Throw it in your bag and go. Don't say I didn't warn you. Thank you. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I'm gonna go take my nightly shower, get this makeup off my face. I hope seeing me test this out and hearing some of my thoughts on how it went for me has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe to notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. No, really, like, how did I not notice my bun fall?